could you pick a worse sound to have play while the system is updating? Like for minutes at a time, it just does this. Slowly driving whoever is standing there insane.
1, 2, 3, 4, get my shoes and out the door. 5, I'm alive. 6, 7, 8, feeling great. 9, gonna shine, life is good. I'm doing fine. 10, gonna do it right and do it again, yeah. I look into the sky with all the beautiful color, but there's more than just for me, so gonna share it with another. I got to show, to give, let out. I want to sing and shout. Take a look and see a beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if you wanna sing.
Hey guys, so I am out of work and I am out to town right now. I came out, I had a few things to pick up, well, nothing that we really needed, but I figured since Jess was at dance tonight, I'd come out. I got some dog food, just a couple of grocery items that would fill our cupboards till the end of the week and just to hold us over. And now I'm out to the Golden Arches, getting myself some supper. I figured that'd be an easy supper to have tonight, and didn't realize that it was going to be busy here though, so I've been in line for a couple minutes now, but I'm pretty close to the front, getting there. So I'm gonna get myself something nice for supper. I say nice, and tastes good, probably really not that nice for me. Then I'm headed home and I'm not sure what my plan for the evening is. I'll probably see what awaits me when I get home and go from there. These girls always seem to know when Daddy brought them home something special, don't you? Look, she's just sitting waiting. She knows something's coming. And you're so excited you can't even hardly help yourself. See, Molly got a nice new dinosaur because she loves dinosaurs just like her daddy does. And Sophie got a little teddy bear with a ring. So she likes the little crinkly toys, so that's what we got for her. But alright, let's see. Ready? Sophie? Oh, Molly's taking hers. She said that's mine. And that's for Sophie. Get it, Sophie. Get it. Look at you. You going at it? This right here, that used to be one of those. It's like one of Molly's favorite toys, so I thought we could get her a new one. And Sophie, she just loves her little crinkle toys. Aww. Give me that. Give it to me. She said no. See, Sophie's toys are a little more intact than Molly's are, but I couldn't just get one of them a new toy. See, we got a couple of happy customers on our hands. It's seriously been a half an hour since she got that toy. Look, she is so ashamed. Oh, it's alright. At least you're having fun with it. So I had to show you, my Wii U is updating right now, and it's been doing this for a few minutes now. But I had to mute the TV, and I just unmuted it now because I wanted to show you. But I love my Wii U, but could you pick a worse sound to have play while the system is updating? Like for minutes at a time, it just does this. Slowly driving whoever is standing there insane. Like, I can't imagine what person was like, hey, you know it'd be great? We're gonna have to run updates on this system, and it's gonna be a few minutes at a time. So, let's take an annoying chime and have it play every second of that minute. It's insanity. I would literally lose my mind if I continued to listen to this. So I'm gonna mute it now and turn the camera off so you guys are spared from it as well. Well, I finally got my system updated and I've decided to settle in for a little bit of Donkey Kong Country Returns. It's a fun little game. I've had it for a little while now. I haven't had a chance to sit down and play it, but it's pretty good fun. If you ever played the original Donkey Kong Country, it's more of that, which is great. But even if you haven't, still a really good game. And it's been nice for a couple days, so I thought I'd settle down a little bit of ice cream to go with my game, and Seemed like a nice lazy way to spend an evening. Video games and ice cream, can't go wrong. You want a little bit of the ice cream too? It's chocolate, you can't have this. Alright everyone, well we are headed to bed now. I have picked up this foam once tonight, but Molly has redistributed a new batch around for me to pick up, so that should be a lot of fun for tomorrow. We hope you enjoyed today's video, and just so you know, Jessica was alive today. She did exist, but she just had a very busy day, so.
Extremely busy day.
We want to make sure you did see her at least once today, so you knew she was still in existence. If you enjoyed today's video, my adventures all on my own, which can be a little scary, like and subscribe so that you always get our new videos, and we'll be back with another video for you tomorrow that may or may not have more Jessica in it. Tune in tomorrow to find out. Night, guys.